What's good, chat? It's your boy Vionna.
So cute. Like a peaceful vlog.
Yeah, like that. What's good, chat? What's good, y'all?
Keep editing out.
Who's this
I have to put a sticker on all of you guys. Because I grabbed one, didn't I?
Oh, you guys, you also got the brisket one?
I got the lamb shank.
But it's so like tender. I thought it was a slow cooked brisket.
I'm a sucker for lamb.
Not Australian. You are not Aussie. Is that how you eat your pie?
Oh yeah.
That is not.
It's so good.
This is the proper way. What are you talking about?
This is the British way.
Yeah. What's good, chat?
Yeah, it's like bubbling, like. Got like a little bit of iridescent. Wow. Fancy word. Iridescent. I can record you guys. Because I like it. So funny. So funny.
Yep.
Hello, happy Mother's Day today. Today's the 10th of May. I was going to go gym today, but somehow, I don't know why, there's some really bad backburn and it's giving me a headache. The smoke, so I end up not going anyways. I'm gonna admit I have been struggling, I guess, getting into the flow state of working on my business. Just I feel like too many things that I'm trying to achieve and too many things I'm trying to juggle. This is the struggle of someone who wants to grow their business, but also works 9 to 5, and also wants to get her dream body by going to the gym. I'm editing my camping vlog. Oh my gosh. There's so much footage to go through, but I literally had so much fun camping as well. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just not in the headspace to really be editing at the moment. I really want to try find a way to make editing so much more faster. But don't know, AI is not there yet, basically. Good morning, happy Monday today. I am gonna spend a half hour before I actually have to start work. I'm working from home today, where I'm gonna work on my business. Today's focus is to try and edit as much as possible for my podcast episode, and I'll try and get that task done today. I hope that I know that this week will be full of joy, happiness, blessings. I know that I'm such a lucky person and I get so much free things. I'm just so lucky that everything's always working out for me and that I'm always spoiled and taken care of by everyone. Today, I know it's going to be a very good week. Okay, so I literally just went on my lunch break and oh my gosh, I was so tired that every time I work from home recently I have been really bad brain fog and it's just taking me out. I don't know why. I've been sleeping more recently as well. I mean, I have been going to the gym and maybe pushing myself a bit mentally in terms of going to the gym and still trying to work my business. I'm at the phase of my cycle where I'm about to get my period soon. This is the second week in a row where I just took a nap during my lunch break because I just couldn't stay awake. I've realized I've been having a lot of caffeine. Okay. Also today I've been eating really shit. But this is my afternoon tea. Oh my gosh, look at these. Just look at the donuts. They're from this store called Specialty Donuts. So good. I love their flavors and it's like not too sweet as well, which I love. But yeah, I really just want to focus this week on maybe taking a step back in my business, especially my coloring book business. I've been trying to create content for it and nothing's been working really that much because I feel like I'm putting too much effort in like coloring the coloring pages. I'm not exactly seeing the results I wanted, so maybe I'm gonna take a different approach and go back to creating stuff in my business and just like coloring for fun to see how that goes. Because I just realized I haven't been having fun. I haven't really worked on my hobbies. Gosh, I haven't done junk journaling in such a long time. It's so cute. I'll show you a bit of it. So this is the first page, and this is the second page. I kind of want to rip it out because it was a review of my ex-boyfriend's birthday dinner. I have some really cute. This is like the Valentine's Day thing I made. And I made one for travel as well. Where is my travel? This is so cute. So I've tried to make, I'm so behind. I'm trying to do like a monthly one. Yeah, look, it's May and I'm still yet to do March. I printed a bunch of stickers and lots of photos that I have to make, cut out. Damn, that looks so good. Anyways, let's get this done. Oh my gosh. Good morning. So I'm actually going golfing with my friend today, but I feel like she's running late, so I have to go myself. Help. Anyways, just do it. I just got home from the golfing. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun. I turned this microphone. I didn't realize how fun golfing is. I low-key want to do it again. I actually found it really fun, but I got a blister because I didn't have golfing gloves. My dad gave me one, but it's so old and it's moldy, so I didn't even bother. So my objective this afternoon is to just spend some time catching up with my business. I've been neglecting it the whole week. This is supposed to be a monthly vlog of what I did, what I do after work and my weekends. And it was supposed to show more of what I get to business-wise, but I was just like really low energy this week, and I know why. It's because I'm on my period. Anyways, I really want to color in some stuff. I want to really figure out some color combos. This is my new coloring practice book, pattern practice book, so you can practice your patterns here. And then you can also do the coloring combinations and stuff, like which colors go well because what I struggle with the most when in coloring is having the right color combos. I want to start my own collection right now. And then maybe I'll start... I'm doing a color by order coloring series for Bonbon's Cozy Coloring. And this is what I've colored in so far. So we have this one, then we have the test page. And then this is the first page. I actually really like how this turned out. And this is my other page. Next, we're going to color in this very cute page. Actually, I might do this today. Like, this is a very cute page to color in. But let me do the coloring combos first. Okay, so, oh my god, I'm so excited because I want to eat this Dubai chocolate pistachio inspired cookie. It's from Butterboy. Love it. I'm like on that period, so like I'm craving something sweet. And I'm having some jasmine green tea. Hey everyone, happy Saturday. Today we were supposed to go hiking with my friends. And then it said it was gonna rain today. But as you guys clearly see, the weather today is so good. Okay, it is a bit cloudy, but it's so good, the weather today. Anyways, it's because I wasn't there to convince them to still go. Probably why I got cancelled yesterday. Today is going to be a lovely day today. And I was gonna relax and stay at home and work on my business because your girl just has been through it this week. Like, I have been so tired. And I've been just going to work and then trying to go to the gym. I just haven't had the energy to work my business. I didn't even finish coloring the coloring page I started in the beginning of the week. So that's today's objective. I'm gonna finish that and then hopefully finish my camping vlog for today. And then try and create some content for my coloring book business. Okay. I just finished coloring. I just came back from the gym. OMG. I went grocery shopping and I was like, stay at home. Okay, I can't say I was stay at home daughter because I do work. But this is my grocery shopping haul. Basically, I just bought snacks. So, I bought some cottage cheese because, yeah, I want some more protein and I love cheese. I bought some Baby Bell things because I want to snack on cheese instead of something sweet. I want to have some snack and then I just crave something like savory instead of sweet. These are my sweet snacks. I'm so obsessed with all the Health Lab products. And they recently just released like this pistachio full diamonds. They were on sale at $2 and they're actually, I can't say they are healthy, but they use like better products in their ingredients. And it says here it's gluten-free and lower in sugar. Does it say it's milk butter? May contain, oh, maybe I should give this to my friend because oh, but it's milk chocolate. What's milk chocolate? Milk chocolate is dairy-free as well. Usually it's dairy-free. Oh, maybe I should have gotten her something dairy-free as well. It's plant-based. Oh yeah, it's plant-based as well. Vegan friendly. I'm so dumb. I should give her one as a gift tomorrow because she's gluten-free and dairy-free. So I think she'll enjoy this. Oh my god. Oh, so I didn't show you what this way looks like anyways. I have a caramel version and a Dubai chocolate version. Maybe I might go to Woolies again tomorrow and buy some more just for her. This is my own collection. I'm having leftovers from yesterday. This is my lunch. Wow. It's the rose mala shanglo and then some Indomie mee goreng. And it's been a while since I've kind of filmed for the month of May. Lately, I have just been really tired. Like, I literally napped all day and I'm only now spending time working on my business. It's now about 4:50, almost 5 o'clock. There's still a lot of things I want to do today. I kind of want to do some baking and meal prepping just for fun. I really want to lock in and work on my coloring book business. And there's so many different avenues that I want to try my coloring book business. But right now, I'm in the phase of trying to design some new pages. I have about 3 coloring book ideas going on. I want to start kind of creating more content in terms of like informing, making tutorials and stuff on how to color better, even though I'm not the greatest colorer as well. But I do want to make some more educational content for my coloring book business. I think that will help reach more people instead of just providing coloring book as kind of a service thing. I have this plan. We're just gonna execute that right now. I have my leftover Milo tea from yesterday. It's like jasmine, pistachio, coconut. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh my gosh, I should really get into making my own strong brewed jasmine tea. That would be so nice for like work and stuff instead of having that coffee. Ooh, I think I'm gonna try and buy some jasmine tea. That was so good. Okay, let's go try the hot honey and get the peel. Because I made my own honey concoction, honey, with chili flakes, Cajun honey, and apple cider. I don't actually have the hot sauce. Maybe next time I'll buy the hot sauce. But so far so good. Like what? Oh, she made it herself. I was like, the girl is depressed. It's me. She's so depressed.